Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. To be really honest, I didn't need a new phone, although now with the Black Friday sales I decided to buy a new one anyway. But it is also where I realized that my current phone, the Sony XZ2 Compact, is already, I think, more than 3.5 years old. And yeah, I'm beginning to notice that it's no longer flagship performance anymore, but I wasn't missing anything. But with the Black Friday sales, I was tempted to buy a new one anyway. So, as you noticed, I am one of those people that like to have a compact phone with flagship specifications. And I'm not really happy with the trend of ever-growing phones that are getting bigger and bigger. And that's why I decided to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So, let's see. There's some stickers here at the bottom. Well, it's not going as easy as I was hoping. There it goes. So it is a small box. So here we have the phone itself with protective plastic, and since my current phone is green, I decided to go with the green one with the Samsung Flip. And it folds nicely. It's got some weight to it. I think it's nice to hold. But for me the most important thing is that this will fit quite easily in the pocket of my pants. So not that much else in the box. I mean, nowadays that's actually funny that with the flag phones, they no longer ship it with a charger. So this is for the SIM card. And yeah, so that's here. And it's only the SIM card. With the Sony, you can actually well, just with when you have some good fingernails, you can, oops, it was still switched on. Anyway, but yeah, so this one you could still have like a micro SD card and a SIM card. So yeah, that's also why I went with the 256 gigabyte model of the Flip. So when we open this further, just the usual paperwork and just a charging cable, and that's it. So that also explains why the box is so small. So this is just the unboxing. I think I can because I see the sticker here, then probably it is possible to get that, or perhaps just get the sticker off from here. Okay. Yeah, doesn't feel like there's a plastic thing on it anymore. So this is it. And yeah, I have to admit, I'm not someone who uses a phone a lot. I don't use the social media on my phone, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So I think that saves a lot of time and screen time, and especially battery time. So I'm not too worried about the battery. I do use messengers like Signal and Telegram, but yeah, usually that means that I don't have as much screen time as, let's just say, heavy phone users. But I think it's still a good idea to put it into dark mode, especially with the OLED screen. And I think for me it's still an upgrade on all the things, probably even the camera, from my Sony phone from 3.5 years ago. And I'm happy that I was able to upgrade to a compact phone that I can still put in my pocket quite easily, and especially with the folding technology, then it still has a decent screen size. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.